the forest, the hunters are exhausted and discouraged. The spirits are not with them. Capture seems impossible, and the rains are beginning again. But the men and their elephants go on. It's the hunters' last chance. Tomorrow they must return to the village, and the cycle will be broken. Issan has managed to isolate a young elephant from his herd. Mahjong and Mave rush over to cut off the trail. The elephant must not be allowed to get back under the cover of the bamboo. Mahjong does not succeed in catching the little one. His own elephant is exhausted after days of hunting and cannot get close enough. Issan takes over. His elephant is stronger and faster. They let their lassos drag along the ground and pick up vegetation, thus slowing the elephant down. The hunters follow him until the animal is completely exhausted and gives up trying to run away or even to defend himself. The hunters become talkative again. Issan is proud and delighted at this difficult and successful capture. His people will be overjoyed as well, since the sacred cycle of capture and taming remains unbroken. The elephant, solidly tied to a tree, has been there alone for 2 days. To calm him down and get him accustomed to the odor of the hunting elephants, Mave implores him to agree to live among men. Once back in the village, the Mnongs give thanks to the spirits who have helped them in 2 ways. One elephant has been captured and another successfully tamed. All the great leaders come together for this increasingly rare event. Makun's success with Komsin is also celebrated. The elephant will now take his place among men. A buffalo is sacrificed to the spirits, and his hide, sanctified by Makun's prayers, will be used to make the next lasso. Thus, the sacred link between man and elephant is perpetuated. Young Mnongs still capture wild elephants, but they cannot devote their entire lives to hunting them. Makun will remain the last ivory knight. In spite of his efforts to pass down his knowledge and preserve his culture, Makun cannot prevent the disappearance of wild elephants. These remaining giants are the last symbols of a lost freedom, the survivors of bygone days when the elephant and man were one people, fishing in the lakes.